Page breaks are used to move your text to the top of the next page, creating space in your document. These are very useful when structuring your Word document. So, say you're writing a document with different sections. It's a good idea to structure these so your readers will be able to follow more clearly. Here we can see the title for Chapter 2 appears at the bottom of this page. And the chapter itself begins on the next page. This may confuse readers, and it also just doesn't look great. We can have this title start on a new page by inserting a page break. Go to the Layout tab. Next, we need to place the insertion point where we want the page break to be. We want to create one between the end of Chapter 1 and the title for Chapter 2, so we'll place it there by just clicking that point. Then open the Breaks drop-down menu from the Page Setup toolset and select Page to insert a page break. As you can see, the title for Chapter 2 now begins on the next page, making our document look much better. A quicker way to enter a page break is with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Enter. Before we look at this, I'm just going to quickly open the navigation pane via the View tab so we can jump through our document more easily. And I'm going to jump to Chapter 3. As you can see, the same problem appears here. Our title starts at the end of a page. Let's insert a page break with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Enter. Again, we have successfully inserted another page break. Note that when you insert a page break, any new text added to the previous page won't affect the layout of the following one. So, if we add text here at the end of this page, we can see that the layout of the following page isn't affected. Chapter 3 remains in place. However, if we continue to add text until the next page, I'm just going to press Enter a couple of times to display this. The page break will mean that the whole page is skipped because Chapter 3 has to start on a new page. Page breaks are handy to know when structuring your document. If you add several breaks and want to keep track of them, we can get where to display them. Go to File, then select Options from the bottom of the navigation pane on the left, and switch to Display. Then, from here, check the Paragraph Marks box, and click OK. We can now clearly see the breaks between different paragraphs and headings, giving us a better idea of the structure of our document. We can turn off this display the same way we turned it on. Go to File, then Options, and switch to Display, and uncheck the previously checked box. This has been a basic overview of inserting a page break in Word for Office 365.